Welcome back, guys. Hey, we're just out here on the water today, and I'm going to do a skipping tutorial for y'all to show you a little bit better way about how to skip baits. We'll go over spinning gear is probably one of the easiest ones to skip, and then some bait caster stuff as well. I'll go over boat position first, and then I'll put it on my chest, and y'all be able to see what I'm looking at. So y'all stay tuned. This is Fishing with Farmer. All right, guys, so I'm right-handed. Okay, so my primary way I'm going to want to skip is on my right side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to this dock at a slight angle. It gives me a straight shot at underneath this float. It's just a simple roll of the wrist, and I lift as it goes. That brings the bait up, and you're able to let it skip underneath the float. I'm going to reel in and try again. Lift up as it goes under the dock. Fish our bait out, rinse and repeat. You can also backhand it. The backhand takes a little bit more practice to get a hold of, but it's the same concept, a roll of the wrist. All right. Well, again, I'm right-handed. Boat's not facing towards it, but I'm facing completely to my right. Okay, because my right hand is going to be over the bow of the boat. So a simple roll of the wrist, lift as it goes under to keep the line. You want to feather with your thumb. What you don't want to do is you don't want your reel too tight. Don't lock down your magnets, because if you do that, you're going to, like I'm right-handed, I'm going to pull to the left. If you're left-handed, you're going to pull to the right. And you're not going to be as accurate with your casts. So once again, it's a simple roll of the wrist and lift as it goes under the dock. You're not trying to overpower it either. Do not overpower your throw, or you will pull to the left or to the right. Lift. Let's see if we can catch a fish down this stretch of docks here, skipping this bait. Oh, there was a bite. I'm not used to the camera being there. Now, if you can learn how to skip docks, you can put these baits in places that, not to say your average guy can't, but you're going to be able to put it in places that fish don't see baits a lot of, especially around these floating docks. Now see, you're going to blow up. If you hit the water too quick, that's fine. Don't be afraid to mess up. I mean, I still mess up all the time. Now coming up, this is one of my favorite things to skip. This is a pontoon boat that's faced in backwards, motors to the back of the dock. Gives you a wide open area, but it also makes a real nice shady area for these fish to hide in. That was bad. Bad. Nice little largemouth. Look at that, he's got a funky looking tail. Thanks, buddy. All right, here's another example of somewhere that everybody can fish right here, and then you've got another area right here that's a real small area that you're going to have to skip to get in there. You got more shadow here, more of an ambush place for fish. That not every, oh, rung the dinner bell. Not everybody is going to be able to get in there. One of my favorite baits to skip with is a 3/8 ounce Arky head style jig. This is just a Gary Yamamoto trailer. It hinders the skipping just a little bit. Something a little bit bulkier helps. But a 3/8 ounce Arky head style jig will skip under just about anything.
Marina walkways are a great place to skip a bait as well. This gives you access to different water columns as well as a place where your average angler can't put a bait underneath these tight areas.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was a little bit instructional for you. We're gonna put it on the trailer and call it a day. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day.